Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to clear the RAM cache on our Windows to boost up the system performance. So if you have the cached memory here, the RAM memory, you need to clear it out in order to get the better performance on your Windows. So click any browser which you use, and once you click on that, you need to search RAM map. Go to first link, and once you go to first link, just need to click on download RAM map. This is the official from the Microsoft, so this is safe and secure. Just close this, and once you close this, just go to the downloaded RAM map and right click on this folder and simply extract it, and simply extract it all. And once you extract it all, just right click on the RAM map.exe and run as admin. Hit yes option. Now let me show you the task manager as well. So now this is the cached memory, 600 MB. So whatever you should be able to see the here gigabytes or MB, you need to click on empty, then click on standby. Now it's cleared. Now once it is cleared, just restart your Windows and your performance will get better. So you can keep this app for a long time. I mean, you can just double click on this will not install. You just exe, this will be not installed on our Windows. So this is how you can clear the RAM cache on your Windows. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.